Welcome to our video on 10 interior design mistakes that are costing you thousands. Whether you're a seasoned decorator or just starting to upgrade your space, it's easy to overlook some fundamental aspects that can significantly impact your wallet and home's aesthetic. We'll guide you through common pitfalls like overcrowding spaces with furniture and ignoring the importance of quality materials. By identifying and correcting these mistakes, you can save money and create a more timeless and functional living environment. Let's dive in. 1. Overcrowding a room with furniture. Imagine trying to navigate through a maze of furniture just to get to the other side of your living room. Overcrowding a room with furniture not only makes it difficult to move around but also diminishes the room's visual appeal. The key is to find a balance. Choose furniture that fits the room's scale and allows for easy movement. Consider fewer, more impactful pieces that highlight the room's best features. By doing so, you'll create a space that feels open, inviting, and comfortable. 2. Choosing trendy pieces over timeless design. The allure of trendy furniture and decor is undeniable, yet they often come with an expiration date. Opting for what's in vogue can lead to a home that feels outdated within a few years. Instead, invest in timeless designs that never go out of style. Classic pieces in neutral shades provide a versatile foundation, allowing you to update accessories as trends evolve. This approach ensures a sophisticated and cohesive look while saving money in the long haul. 3. Ignoring proper lighting. Lighting is often an afterthought, yet it plays a pivotal role in setting the mood of a room. Poor lighting can make even the most beautifully decorated space feel cold and unwelcoming. A well-lit room, on the other hand, can highlight design elements and create a warm ambiance. Experiment with different types of lighting, such as ambient, task, and accent lighting, to find the perfect balance. Remember, lighting isn't just functional, it's an integral part of your design that can transform the way a room feels. 4. Skimping on quality materials. In the world of interior design, quality is paramount. While it might be tempting to cut corners with cheaper materials, doing so can lead to a space that feels less than luxurious. High-quality materials not only last longer but also elevate the overall look of your home. When selecting finishes, furniture, or flooring, think about durability and maintenance. Investing in quality may have a higher upfront cost, but it pays off in longevity, ensuring your space remains beautiful for years to come. 5. Not measuring properly before buying furniture. Picture this. You've fallen in love with a sofa, only to find it doesn't fit through your front door. Failing to measure spaces accurately before making purchases can lead to costly mistakes. Always measure your space and the furniture before buying. Consider the room's layout and the furniture's dimensions to ensure a harmonious fit. This simple step can save you from the hassle of returns and help you achieve a well-proportioned room. 6. Neglecting to plan for storage needs. A beautifully designed room can quickly lose its charm if it's cluttered with belongings. Storage is a crucial element of interior design that is often overlooked. Consider your storage needs from the outset and incorporate solutions that blend seamlessly with your decor. From built-in shelves to multifunctional furniture, there are countless ways to keep your space organized without sacrificing style. Prioritizing storage not only enhances functionality but also maintains the room's aesthetic appeal. 7. Choosing the wrong paint colors. The power of color should never be underestimated. Choosing the wrong paint colors can drastically alter the mood of a room. Bold colors might overwhelm, while overly muted tones can feel uninspiring. To avoid this, test paint samples in your space and observe them under different lighting conditions. Consider the room's natural light and existing furnishings when selecting your palette. A well-thought-out color scheme can unify a space and enhance its overall design. 8. Skipping the professional help when needed. While DIY projects can be fulfilling, there are times when seeking professional help is essential. Interior designers bring a wealth of knowledge and expertise that can prevent costly errors. If you're unsure of your design direction or feel overwhelmed by choices, consulting a professional can be invaluable. They can offer insights and solutions that might not have been apparent, ensuring your space is both functional and stylish. 9. Overlooking the importance of scale and proportion. Scale and proportion are vital components of interior design that can make or break a room's harmony. Furniture and decor that are out of proportion can make a space feel awkward and uncomfortable. To achieve balance, consider the size of the room and choose pieces that complement its dimensions. Pay attention to how each element interacts with the others. A room with well-proportioned elements feels cohesive and inviting, enhancing the overall design. 10. Forgetting about the power of curb appeal. The importance of curb appeal extends beyond the exterior of your home. It's the first impression your home makes, setting the tone for what lies inside. Neglecting your home's exterior can detract from your interior efforts. Simple updates like fresh paint, landscaping, and outdoor lighting can significantly enhance your home's appeal. Investing in curb appeal not only adds value to your property but also creates a welcoming environment for you and your guests.